Step into the Kia 2020 Telluride S. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 291 horsepower, 3.8-liter V6 DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel and automatic transmission. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.